14.5 for the length. For the breadth is 15. You leave half inches here, half inches, making it 8.5. I measure 8 here. From here is 8 inches. From here is 2 inches. The bend 2 inches. You can see 2 inches or 2 point dot inches. Depending on what you want actually, but it's going to be beneficial if you could follow what I use. This 8.5. Place your hand on it. Make sure they are aligned together. The pocket and your mat and your fabric. We will not this space. You see that I sew at the back of my pocket mouth. You see, this is how you are going to sew it for a perfect neat work. So your second pocket too, you're going to do it this exact same way. Eight and a half inches. You can see, we now fold the pocket. We fold it. We fold it and swing it. Don't forget to trim your clothes by cutting the thread. That is your little secret to a neat job, a neat work. So we are going to finish this one. That's it. This is the pocket cover I told you about. So we need this one. going to align together too. Make sure they are aligned together with the pockets. Pocketing. Can you see? I swing it here, swing it round. We place it on top of each other. This method can be used for senator trouser, pant trouser, suit trouser, any trouser you are sewing. You can use this method for it. The only difference that's going to be here is that I'm not going to add lining. I'm not going to add line. If I'm going to add line into it, it would have been for trouser purpose or for senator trouser purpose. So let's continue. Everything you are doing has to be aligned together. That is how you are going to get your results. Can you see? So as they are aligned together here, you are going to stitch this space. That's been sewing. I told you what I cut out from here to here on the fabric is 2 inches. So you are going to cut 2.2 inches. Why? Because I'm going to weave it. So the weaving machine is going to cut out a little of the fabric. So it's important. I don't need to measure it because I'm going to get correct measurement of what I want. Yeah, let's see. You can see 8 inches. So we fold it this place. We will knot it. We will leave some space with where you stitch here, a little space. Then you knot about 1 inches. 1 inches. I knot it. And I'll bring it out from inside the pocket. I bring it backward. Trim it. between it. Between the back again. Now fold this piece, the pocketing, you double it, you fold it like this. Make a cuff line here. Why? Because of the face is curved like this, so it gives enough space. The reason why it's important is that in case you want to add that to your trouser or zip side, so it's going to cover, it's going to make it make sense. We finish these stitches. You will do this, the second pocket like this too. I'm not going to show to do the video, it's going to take a lot of